Hello friends at home. In this video I will be doing today's math lesson with you. We are here in the classroom. We have opened our books up to page 149 and we are going to be looking at how we can subtract to compare two numbers. So if I'm looking for the difference, if I want to say, oh, Mrs. Hatkoff's class has 100 soup cans and Mrs. Bragg's class has 95 soup cans, and I want to know the difference, I can subtract to compare those two amounts of soup cans and see who has more and how many more. Okay? So let's take a look on page 149 at the top. It says Morgan has 7 crayons. So I want all of you to circle 7 crayons. And Lily only has 2 crayons. So circle 2 crayons. Sorry, Lily, you only have 2. It says, the first question says, who has more crayons? Then it says, who has fewer? Well, we can tell that Morgan has more because it's a bigger number. We can tell that Lily has fewer because it's a smaller number. But if we want to know how many more and how many less, we can compare by subtracting. So we know that Morgan has 7, so they've drawn out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we know that Lily has 2, so they've drawn 1, 2. Then we connect the ones that are the same, so they both have 1 and they both have 2, but they don't both have 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7. So the ones that are left over here, that's the difference. That tells us that Morgan has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more than Lily. Or we could say Lily has 5 less or 5 fewer than Morgan. Do you understand that? So our subtraction sentence was Morgan's 7, take away Lily's 2. Morgan has 5 more than Lily. Lily, you're raising your hand. Do you have a question? Right now I'm going to just kind of give the lesson and I'll call on people when I need to, okay? So let's go down now to the practice area. And for the first couple ones of these, they've kind of drawn it for us to trace to kind of get us used to it, and then we'll be doing some on our own. So we're going to be drawing circles to compare. It says Logan picks 9 daisies. That's Landon's brother, so circle 9 daisies. And Jordan picks 6 daisies, so circle 6 daisies. Now the question says, how many fewer daisies does Jordan pick? So we know that Logan has 9, so you can trace the 9. That's the first number. And we know that Jordan has 6, so that's our second number. So we're going to take Logan's 9, take away Jordan's 6, and that should give us our answer. So up here, let's draw in Logan's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then in the next box where it says Jordan, we're going to draw in, Jordan has 6, so draw the 6 circles. You can trace them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now to figure out the difference, we're going to compare by connecting. So they both have 1, ka-chink. They both have 2, ka-chink. They both have 3, ka-chink. They both have 4, ka-chink. They both have 5, ka-chink. They both have 6, ka-chink. Now this number here shows me the difference, or it shows me how many more Logan has. Okay? All right, so now if we know that Jordan has 3 fewer daisies, you can trace the 3. And then at the bottom it says Jordan picks 3 fewer daisies. All right, friends, eyes on your paper. Go ahead and turn the page. We're looking now at number 2. We're talking about Gracie, and Lily would like to read for us.
Gracie has 3
glue sticks, I think. Yeah, Gracie has 3 glue sticks. So everyone in your book circle 3 glue sticks. And what about Heather?
Heather has 7 glue sticks.
All right, everyone circle 7 glue sticks. Who? Who has fewer glue sticks? How many fewer? Nice job. So we know, first off, that Gracie has 3 glue sticks. So let's draw 1, 2, 3 circles for Gracie to show her 3 glue sticks. Thank you. How many glue sticks does Heather have, Lillian?
7.
So let's draw 7 circles for Heather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now to figure out the difference, let's compare. They both have 1, ka-chink. They both have 2, ka-chink. They both have 3, ka-chink. Do they both have 4? No. So all of these ones left over shows us the difference. So if we take Heather's 7 that we started with, and we take away Gracie's 3, there they are, 1, 2, 3, we're taking those away. How many do we have left, Emma? 4. So 7 take away 3 equals 4. Gracie has 4 fewer, or 4 less than Heather. All right, Jason and Sid have some tickets, and Connor is going to read nice and loud so the friends at home can hear. It's different in your book? Oh, for Pete's sake. Give me a moment, friends at home. All right, sorry, friends at home. We realized that in my book, the word Gracie is already written and the word Jason is already written. For some reason, in some of the kids' books, it's not. So if you need to write in Gracie on that line, go ahead. If it's there for you, that's fine. I don't know why some of the books are different. Maybe I have an older or maybe a newer version of the same book. I'm not sure. But flexibility is the name of the game this year. All right, so go ahead, Connor, because the problems are the same. Read me number 7. Everyone circle 6 tickets. Sid has 4 tickets. Everyone circle 4 tickets. Okay? Who has more? How many more? Okay? So Jason has 6. So where you see Jason, we're going to draw 6. Are you ready? You see where we're at, Victoria? Where you see Jason, we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thumbs up when you've done that. Excellent. And then it said Sid has 4. So where we see Sid, we're going to draw 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now to find the difference, we're saying we want to know how many more Jason has. We know Jason has more because his number's bigger. But how many more? So let's line them up. Here we go. They both have 1, ka-chink. They both have 2, ka-chink. They both have 3, ka-chink. They both have 4, ka-chink. Do they both have 5? No. So here's our difference. What is the difference, Connor? 2. So 2 is our difference. And to find that, we took 6 and we took away 4. And you guys can write the word Jason on your line. And Connor told us Jason has 2 more tickets. We see them right there. 2 more tickets. Okay, we're going to skip the write about it, and we're going to go right on to the top of the next page. This is just a review of what we already talked about with Morgan and Lily. So let's go down to the more practice part. Let me know if mine looks different again. Who can read to us about Gavin and John? Beckett, nice and loud, read to us about... Honey, have a seat.
Mine just has 2. Mine has 2.
Okay, hold on 1 second, honey. All right, Beckett, sorry, nice and loud so that everyone can hear you, even the friends at home. Gavin picks 9 strawberries. Circle it, 9 strawberries. Keep going. John picks 6. Everyone circle 6 strawberries. Who picks more? How many more? Who picks more, friends? Without even counting or comparing, we can tell Gavin because it's a bigger number. So mine says Gavin. Does yours say Gavin, or do you have to write Gavin? Okay, if it says it, awesome. If it doesn't, write Gavin in on that line. Oh, you have to trace Gavin. Okay, so trace Gavin. And we're going to draw 9 strawberries for Gavin. So go ahead and trace the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can put your 9 here. And then we're going to draw John 6 strawberries. He has 6, so draw his 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you trace the 6. So 9, take away 6. Here we go. They both have 1. Ka-chink. They both have 2. Ka-chink. They both have 3. Ka-chink. They both have 4. Ka-chink. They both have 5. Ka-chink. They both have 6. Ka-chink. Do they both have 7?
No.
No. So here's our difference. Brooklyn, what is our difference? What? What is our difference, Brooklyn? Brooklyn, the difference right here. Look at, they all have 6, but here's our difference. See how they're different? 3, exactly. So our difference is 3. So Gavin picks 3 more than John. What's up, Landon? Yeah, okay. Let's turn our page now. Who wants to read about Stan and Tino? Serafina, nice and loud.
Stan
Uses
7 blocks.
All right, everyone circle 7 cubes or blocks. Tino
uses 10 blocks.
All right, everyone circle 10 cubes or blocks.
Who uses more blocks?
How many
How many
more? All right, who uses more without even counting, looking at the numbers? Tino. So on the line right there, write the word Tino. Mine already says it. Tino has more, but now we got to figure out how many more. So Stan uses 7. Next to Stan, let's draw 7 circles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tino uses how many, Johnny? 10. So in Tino's box, draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So to compare them, we're saying 10, take away 7. So let's compare them. Take away 1, ka-chink. Take away 2, ka-chink. Take away 3, ka-chink. Take away 4, ka-chink. Take away 5, ka-chink. Take away 6, ka-chink. Take away 7, ka-chink. Here's our difference. Isaac, how many does that leave us with? What's our difference? 3. So 3 equals 10 take away 7. Tino uses 3 more blocks. All right. Let's read about Amber and Diana. Nice and loud, Austin.
And Amber's my aunt.
Amber's his aunt. Perfect. Let's hear it.
Amber has 6 books.
Everyone circle 6 books.
Diana has 8 books.
Everyone circle 8 books.
Who has fewer? How many are fewer?
Okay, who has less or fewer? Without even counting them up. Who has fewer? Sage? Yeah, Amber. So on this line, you're going to write Amber. I don't know why it's already there for me. And now go under your box. Amber has 6, so draw 6 for Amber. Diana has 8, so draw 8 for Diana. And when you're done, give me a thumbs up. All right, so what we're trying to compare here is Diana's 8, take away Amber's 6. We're looking for the difference. So here we go. They both have 1, ka-chink. They both have 2, ka-chink. We're taking away 3, ka-chink. And we're taking away 4, ka-chink. And they both have 5, ka-chink. And they both have 6, ka-chink. So here's our difference, Landon. What is our difference? 2. So 8 take away 6 equals 2. Amber has 2 fewer than Diana. Another way to say that is Diana has 2 more, right? All right, we're not going to do the right about it. We've worked hard today. I think this is a great way to help you visualize subtraction. When you compare two numbers, you can see the difference. The more we do problems like this, the more it'll stick in our brain and the better we'll get at subtraction. So keep working hard, and we will see you later, friends at home.